This video is for every Indian, Bangladeshi or any non-English speaking background who are living in the Gulf countries like Saudi, Dubai, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait, and especially if you're working at a place where English is required. But because of your background and your studies, you are unable to speak English. So I'm here to help you. Hello everyone, my name is Roshan and on this channel I talk about English learning books and movies. I have been teaching English for over past 4 years now and on the internet for the past 2 years. And ever since I started uploading videos on YouTube, I regularly get messages like how to improve my English. I understand everything, but still I'm not able to speak English. Whenever somebody talks to me, I completely freeze. I make grammatical mistakes. I have mother tongue influence. I don't know which words to use, how to frame sentences, and I'm always confused about vocabulary. So if you are also facing any of those problems, then I have a solution for you. And the solution is that you are going to get one-on-one or group classes from me. Because of doing it full time now, I have worked with more than 30 people who are living in Gulf countries. So if you are also looking for a solution, then you can join my one-on-one or group classes. And before you enroll in my course, you can take a demo session of 25 minutes in just rupees 99. And now let's talk about what you are going to get in those classes. Individual sessions. It simply means one-on-one or private classes where you will get live feedback from me. You get 5 sessions Monday to Friday on a Zoom call or Google Meet. There, first I will evaluate your level, what kind of areas you need to improve, whether it is your vocabulary, sentence structure. And we are not going to discuss any boring grammar lessons. Everything will be related to spoken English. Whatever it is required, whatever your level is, I customize my classes accordingly. And also the timing is completely flexible. You can choose one slot and we have to meet regularly on that time. Second, group sessions. For people who are living in Gulf countries, for them it is very difficult to find time for group classes. So if I get enough response on this video and if our timing matches, then definitely I'll start a group batch too. But right now the whole focus is on individual sessions. If you are serious about improving your spoken English and you are ready to put in some 2 or 3 months, then definitely reach out to me on my number. And as I mentioned, you can book a demo session. I will evaluate your level and then I will customize our classes. I wanted to make this video for such a long time. I have talked about my classes multiple times on my channel, but not specifically for people who are living in the Gulf. And the problems I mentioned earlier doesn't only apply to people who are living in Gulf countries. It also applies to anyone who is trying to learn English. They are struggling with their mother tongue influence, confidence, sentence structure, and they lack any speaking partner. So all of these problems are solved at one place. And don't think that joining my classes is a shortcut, that just by joining and paying some amount, you'll be able to learn spoken English. No, I will be there to guide you. And I can guarantee that whatever I tell, you are following it and practically you are doing it, then definitely you can reach to a different level. If you just want to become more confident, sound more confident, then I think English is the language that can make you feel that way. So if you are ready to make some changes in your spoken English and if you are ready to learn, reach out to me on my number and I'll see you there. Bye.